Page 117, The Lion Sleeps Tonight. 4/4 time. Let's take this one hand at a time, make sure we have the notes and the rhythms all okay. And the fingering. You're starting out with a finger on D here. Put you in this position. And you see, we're looking at it, we got F sharps everywhere, so chances are we're going to be in this position, the D position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See, that's tied, so you'll hang on to it. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and this fun. Half notes. That's pretty much it. Left hand. You have a D, an F sharp, and an A. It's a D chord. And that's tied for 2 measures, so hold it down for 8 counts, and then you have this interval of a sixth. And that's tied for 2 measures. Next line. That's tied for 2 measures. Oh, that's good. And then the last 2 measures, they're quarter notes, sort of, but you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You got to get the rhythm right. Careful, because there is a tied note in there. That's pretty much the left hand. Put them together. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. That's about all this got to offer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 4. So you work it out. If you're hesitating anywhere or whatever, you're having problems, work out those spots and get rid of them. The beat needs to be steady. You don't have to go fast. It's not a fast piece, but the beat needs to be steady. And then as far as articulation goes, there really isn't any. Just connect everything. You can lift up between the phrases, except you already have rests, so that'll take care of it. So just connect everything as best you can. Dynamic wise, it's moderately loud at the beginning. That's the right hand. Keep this chord soft. How soft can you play that? We want to hear that. Now you can play a little louder. And then the chord, bring it down. Forth. At the last line, you get soft at the end. So at the last line would be here. You're still moderately loud. Then you're soft on the last one. And the last one, there's no melody, so that they're all the same. All 4 notes are the same. Loudness. Speed-wise, flowing gently, whatever that means. You probably have heard the piece. Last line, there is a retardando there where you can slow down a little bit if you want. So the last line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. So it sounds like that whole note is longer than 4 counts, but you're actually just slowing the count down. So it's really 4 counts, but it's getting slower. Now when I do it with a metronome, I can't do that. So when they play with me, we just keep going the same speed. But when you're playing by yourself or with somebody else in a duet, you might want to slow down at the end. They've added optional pedal. The idea is, I don't know why you want pedal on that, other than it adds the overtones. The problem is, you don't have overtones anywhere else, and I have problems with that. It's too much of a difference. So in my opinion, you leave pedal out. You don't need it anyway. I can hear the rhythm better without the pedal. Because I can separate these. I can sort of play them a long staccato or something. It doesn't say anything, so I can do what I want. I can interpret it however I see fit. If I want to play them staccato, I can play them staccato because that's an interpretation. interpretation thing. It's an interpretive thing. It's how I interpret it. Whatever. It's what I do. Yeah. So I encourage you to leave pedal out here. I would like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do dynamics. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, tight. 3, 4. 2, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Off. There's a duet part at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that, and you play what you just played. But again, I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend middle C goes up an octave on the keyboard and play it all up here. So instead of here, you're here. Here. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play this together. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, off.